Why is it important to create a list of things that you need to get done to close out the year? I'm Jason Stahl, and we're going to find out next in the AirPro Diagnostics Collision Garage. While you're busy doing your holiday shopping and wrapping gifts, it's important to take the time to wrap up your business for the year too. Just like you create a list for all of your holiday projects, you should create a list of all the things you need to do to efficiently close out the year. If you haven't been tracking your performance metrics all year, now is the time to start. Make it your New Year's resolution to set your performance goals, create your metrics and a system to track them, and evaluate them regularly to stay on track. Not only will this help you identify what you need to do to close your books on 2022, it helps determine opportunities for growth and improvement in the year ahead. Here are a few steps you can take to put a tidy bow on 2022. Number 1, work closely with your accounting staff to make sure they're on top of all receivables and payables. Also, make sure that the accounting system is clean with no errors. Make it a goal to have all of your financial reports ready to go to your accountant for tax purposes no later than mid-February of the following year. But to do that, the planning has to start before December. Number 2, assess the operating expense increases you incurred throughout the year so that you can prepare for the budget changes needed in the coming year. Many shops have experienced large increases in their operating costs over the past 2 years, so it's really important to know what percentage increases you're seeing in order to plan accordingly going into the new year. Number 3, hold team meetings to discuss your wins and losses. This will help you see the areas of your business that need the biggest improvement. It's important to do this as a team so everyone is invested in the plans for improvement. Number 4, if you do not have a budget, it's truly time to start one. This will allow you to know your operating costs and establish your break-even performance. Number 5, set goals for the new year. Work on your sales and growth goals for the year ahead. Also, pick your 3 lowest performing areas to improve. Evaluate your staff, determine your staffing needs, and adjust accordingly. By wrapping up your business in a tidy bow, you can turn your attention to wrapping presents, enjoying the holidays, and toasting the year ahead. I'm Jason Stahl from the AirPro Diagnostics Collision Garage. Thanks for watching.